Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Arithmetic Lesson 150. Today we're going to start by going over your multiplication, your 12 times table, and your division by 12s. So let's start. Remember, we're going to clap twice in between. Ready? 0 times 12 equals 0. 1 times 12 equals 12. Say it with me. 2 times 12 equals 24. 3 times 12 equals 36. 4 times 12 equals 48. 5 times 12 equals 60. 6 times 12 equals 48. 7 times 12 equals 84. 8 times 12 equals 96. 9 times 12 equals 108. 10 times 12 equals 120. 11 times 12 equals 132. 12 times 12 equals 144. Dividing. Let's clap once in between. 0 divided by 12 equals 0. 12 divided by 12 equals 1. 24 divided by 12 equals 2. 36 divided by 12 equals 3. 48 divided by 12 equals 4. 60 divided by 12 equals 5. 72 divided by 12 equals 6. 84 divided by 12 equals 7. 96 divided by 12 equals 8. 108 divided by 12 equals 9. 120 divided by 12 equals 10. 132 divided by 12 equals 11. 144 divided by 12 equals 12. Okay, boys and girls, make sure that you're studying these multiplication and division tables. This will help you on your speed drills to be faster at these drills. Okay, today we're going to go over some graphing. I want you to remember some line graph information, how to plot some numbers on a line graph. The numbers look like this, 3, 2. You need to make sure that you go across first and then up. So say it with me, across and up. Okay, so remember that when we are graphing, putting a point on a line, we have two sets of numbers. We call this a set. And we're going to plot them onto the line graph. So again, the first one is 3, 2. Across 3, up 2. Okay, watch where the point goes. Across 1, 2, 3, up 2. That's where your point ends up. Next one, 4, 1. Across 4, up 1. Okay, next one, 5, 3. Across 5, and up 3. Make sure you don't switch that up. Go across first. Okay, and you're also going to remember to put it on the corner, right? Where those two meet. We call that the intersecting line between each of them, right at that point where it is on the graph, okay? Next one is 8, 9. Across 8 and up 9. Next one, 10, 10. Across 10 and up 10. Very good. And the next one, 15, 1. Across 15 and up 1. And the last one, 17, 15. Across 17, up 15. Okay, very good. Okay, so that is graphing with a line graph. Next, we're going to do some more carrying with multiplication. We're going to do 34 times 16. 4 times 6 equals 24. Put down the 4, carry the 2. 3 times 6 equals 18, plus 2 equals 20. You cross out the plus 2 because we don't need it anymore. We're going to use a different number if we need it on top. 4 times 1, but let's not forget, put down your 0 or your spacer because we're now multiplying using the tens column. So go ahead and put your 0 in the ones place so that you know we're multiplying by 10. Again, 4 times 1 equals 4, and 3 times 1 equals 3. Okay? Now, these two numbers are called partial products. You're going to add them together, and your answer will be the final product. 4 plus 0, 0 plus 4, and 3 plus 2. Your answer is 544. Okay, boys and girls. Next one is 55 times 35. 5 times 5 is 25. Put down the 5. Carry the 2. 5 times 5 is 25. Plus 2 is 27. Cross out your +2 because you'll need that spot. You don't want to add it into the next one. Go ahead and put your 0 down to hold your place so that you know that you're multiplying by tens and not by ones. 5 times 3 is 15. Put down the 5 and carry the 1. Sorry. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. And these two, again, are called partial products. You add them up, and your answer will be 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 6 plus 2 plus 1 equals 19. I'm sorry, equals 9. And 1 plus 0 is 1. Your answer is 1,925. Last one here. 1 times 4 is 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Now again, you need that 0 because we're now going to multiply by the tens place. Put your 0 down. 1 times 4 is 4, and 6 times 4 is 24. Oh, that shouldn't be there. We should take that out. Okay, you don't need that +2. I must have left that in from the last one. Now I take my two partial products, 244 plus 2,440, and you add them together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. And 2. Your answer should read 2,484. Very good. This is your worksheet, boys and girls, and on the back of it, you have a few story problems I wanted to go over with you. You have a box of 8 pencils cost 359 cents. How much would 56 pencils cost? Well, I have one box of pencils, and it has 8 pencils in it, and that pencil box costs $3.59. But I need to know how many boxes I would need to buy in order to get 56 crayons. So I take 56 crayons and I divide it. That needs a dividing line there. I'm sorry about that. 8 by 8 because there's 8 pencils in each box. So what is 56 divided by 8, boys and girls? Good, 7. Okay, now we know that we need 7 boxes. And each box is $3.59. What do I need to do? Excellent, you multiply $3.59. You guys are smart. Times 7. And our answer will be, work it out, 9 times 7, carry, 5 times 7, carry. You got it? Excellent, excellent. $25.13. If you got $25.13, you are correct. Make sure you go back and put it on the line. That's where we're going to be checking for your answer. And letter B says, what would be the perimeter of a hexagon with 10-inch sides? Well, do you remember what a hexagon is, boys and girls? Hexagon. I always remember what a hexagon is because it has the X in the word. And being that it has the X in the word, it reminds me of 6. So hexagon and 6 also, so it has 6 sides, and 10 times 6 equals 60. Very, very good. All right, we're going to do the next few of these. Just give me 1 second.
I'm recording, silly girl.
Darn you.
I'm sorry.
No, that's okay. Cut away. Well, there's enough light. It's true. I didn't think about that. Okay, boys and girls, let's get back to this. We have number 5. We're going to be adding the mixed numbers, 47 and 3/8, 62 and 1/8, and 19 and 1/8. Remember, we need to first check, make sure they all have the same denominator, and they do, which is 8. So what is 3/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8? 5/8, very good. Now 7 plus 2 plus 9, 18, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 1. Excellent, 128. This should be fairly easy for you. Make sure that you're going slowly, but carefully enough to make sure you don't get the wrong answer. 4/8 minus 3/8. 4 minus 3? Yes, that should be a 1, 1/8. Good job, boys and girls, finding that. And 6,013 minus 2,709. Okay, make sure you borrow. Very good. All right, 3,304 is your answer. Okay, you're going to go ahead and do the other two on your own during your seat work time. You also have some homework on the bottom of this section. Go ahead and get that done as well. We're going to do a few more of our cards together, and then we will let you go for the day. All right, let's find how to finish this and make me bigger. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to show you a shape and you tell me the name. This is an easy one, isn't it? Circle, very good. Square. Do you know why it has those little squares in the corner? That means that they are all right angles. A square has 4 right angles. Very good. Triangle. Let's go quick. Rectangle. Oval. Diamond. Pentagon. Say pentagon. 5 sides is a pentagon. Here's the one we were talking about. Hexagon. Has an X in it, just like my number 6. That's how I remember. Hexagon. What's that black line representing? It has 4 of those. 4 sides. Very good. And what are those black dots at the end where those 2 lines meet? We call that a vertex. Vertex. And that little square in the corner, right angle. What shape is that? Trapezoid. It only has 1 set of parallel lines. Very good. Parallelogram. Parallelogram. That has 2 sets of parallel lines. We have 1 on top and bottom and the 2 on the sides. Very good. This one is called a rhombus. It has 4 equal sides, but they are not right angles like a square. It is a rhombus. I call it a crooked square. This one, we just call a kite. How many of you have made a kite in that shape? When it goes directly down across the shape, we call that a diagonal. Say diagonal. It's not going up and down. It's not going straight across. It's going in a diagonal form. How about these lines? These lines are parallel lines. Repeat after me. Parallel lines. How about this one? Perpendicular. We use this one when we talked about the line graph. Perpendicular. And this one looks like a circle, but it's 3-dimensional. A sphere. Put that PH in it. Sphere. A cone. Cylinder. Cube. Pyramid. What country has these pyramids? Do you remember? Good, in Egypt. Rectangular prism. Each one of these sides on a cube we call a face. A face. And this on the cube is called the edge, where the 2 faces connect. Edge. All right, boys and girls, this is it for your arithmetic lesson today. Go ahead and finish those questions on your workbook page, and we will see you back for 151 tomorrow. Have a great day.